And Oliver, that's why you never send the eggplant emoji with squirty water droplets to your parents.
Makes sense.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, do you, can I? Or like...
I do think it's...
Shotgun! Okay, fine. We're gonna settle this the better way.
Yeah.
I've got a coin. Okay, so I'm gonna chuck it, and then when I catch it, I'll close it, and whoever gets the suit right wins. Okay. Tails! Damn it, it's heads! Okay, I'll get the card from the top of the deck. I haven't actually looked at this, so I'll just take a random card. Okay, so in your head you have one. I have one as well. And
Joker!
damn it, it's Joker! Fine, we'll just settle this the old-fashioned way. 3, 2, 1. It's mine! It's not actually opening. We kind of need... Mine!